attended the course of Finance for Non-Finance. It's actually a very helpful course. It helped me a lot in understanding more budgeting, how the budgeting is done. This will help me a lot in my work, how to budget when it comes to our part, how to adjust exactly what kind of content I need, how to expect what kind of content I require in the future. Hesham helped us a lot in understanding the financial terms and dealing with accountants, especially finance. We used to have a lot of trouble with finance, asking them to process invoices and payments. After attending this course, I have more vision about treasury and about how why finance is sometimes delaying payments on purpose, for which reasons. We didn't understand that before, but now I have a better vision. And I can understand the reason behind delaying stuff like that. I would recommend this course a lot for people who's not working in finance departments to attend. It will give you a bigger view, make you understand more how other departments are coordinating with each other when it comes to payment, when it comes to money, when it comes in budgeting, your future plans. If you're starting your own company, this will also help you a lot. Which is not the case for me. That's it.
My name is Mokheimer. I am the head of business development in Stanley Ghana Limited, and I joined the Finance for Non-Finance Managers training organized by delegates. I think this course has been very beneficial to me. Before this course, there were a lot of things in finance that I found difficult to understand and how we apply it to my department. Now I'm able to understand how my department can make a difference in the entire profitability of the company. I can read financial statements. I know what is important to shareholders and all stakeholders as well. I think this was well organized, and I would recommend it to all other non-finance managers in Stanley Ghana as well. Thank you.
مرحبا، اسمي موخيمر، شغال بشركة انتجرال as a insurance. حبيت اخذ الترين تبع فاينانس فور نون فاينانس مع ديليغيتس عشان اخذ شوية معلومات من الفاينانس او ازيد معلومات من الفاينانس لانه بشتغل ديبارتمنت تبع الفاينانس. الترينر كان كثير كويس ممتاز، استفدنا كثير شغلات من الفاينانس واخذنا زي ورك شوب وكل شيء الواحد يزيد معلوماته فيها، وان شاء الله تستفيد من تجربته.